Hello everyone! Today my video will be about my original character named Kyara. I have my YouTube channel active for about 3 years now, and I only drew her for the channel once. This is one of my first original characters and means a lot to me because she is my alter ego. When I started my path as an artist in the internet, I was 17 years old, and for some reason I thought Kyara was a beautiful name. So I added both, and here we are, Kyara 17. Now that I think about it, I could have chosen a better name, but I remember my first website to show my drawings were Mini Tokyo, and then I just joined DeviantArt. I drew her over the years, and I ended up doing her cosplay some time ago too. It was not difficult since she is supposed to be myself. This character grew up with me, and the clothes were the ones I owned for a long time, and I loved the style, so I chose to draw them on her, and that's how she came to life. With time, I gave her a little friend with wings named Daiki. So many years already passed, and I love drawing her. I really hope you like her. She represents the good side of me. She's super kind and loves to smile, and that's a feature everyone knows me by. Her black wings have a deep meaning of that every kind and sweet person has a darkest deep fear inside, but also because I love to draw wings. Have you noticed blue is my favorite color? She's also a person that loves heights, jumps, and flying. And that's what she's doing in this drawing. Do you also have original characters inspired in yourself? Show me and tell me a bit of them. I would love to know the story of your characters. Since this is an old video already that I forgot to make a voiceover, I don't remember all the colors of Copics I used, so I will just let you know the basic materials. So the paper I used was the Perfect Paper Marker Proof. I also used the Multiliners from Kuretake and Micron. I used also Copic Markers and colored pencils to make the colors stand out a bit more. And I finished with the white gel pen. Like I said, some years ago I did her cosplay. It was so easy that I had to try it. Daiki plushie was done by one of my best friends, Anna Isabella Cosplay, as a present, because I would never be capable of doing this cutie so well as her. Check her page on the link below. This is a huge video, so I really hope you have the patience to see everything. And I really hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. I will try to do more videos very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye!